Hi world, Kwame the Wanderer here. I'm in Bangkok, Thailand. I've landed in this city, which is the most visited city in the whole wide world. It's night time. As you can tell from my eyes, I look so tired after flying all the way from Vietnam to Thailand. I'm here to capture Songkran. Songkran is the biggest water festival here in Thailand. And as I've landed, I would like to take the opportunity to give you my hotel room tour. Welcome to my stay in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's see how it is. Now, let's talk about numbers. So, I booked this beautiful room for only 64 Australian dollars 32 cents. It was actually on sale, but I think the full value price is around 75 Australian dollars per night. So I've got this huge king size bed, and there's a kitchenette. So the kitchenette comes with a microwave, and there's some cutlery, and the cabinet, I don't think there's much in. So there's a water heater if you want to make some tea or prepare coffee. There's glass, there's mug, there's some bowls, some plates. It comes with complimentary bottles of water. I was served 2 bottles. I've already drank one. That's why only one is sitting here. There's sponge and dishwashing soap. As usual, after using the utensils, you have to leave the utensils clean and place it back at where it belongs. Okay, let's go. So another facility is a refrigerator. So there's a refrigerator which comes with a deep freezer at the top and a normal fridge at the bottom. And there's this big LED TV. I don't know if it's 55 inches or 50 inches, but it looks like one of them. And there's a laptop working space where I've already set up my laptop to do some work, and also comes with some more storage. So I will not use anything from here. So this is the first time I'm even opening the cabinet since I checked in. And there's a huge mirror here, which I love it because I like watching my ugly self. And bedside lamps, one here, one there, and a huge air condition which keeps the room nice and cool, good for sleeping, and some thick window blinds, which I also really like it because I'm the kind of person, when I'm sleeping, I just want to enjoy a completely dark room. So it helps a lot. Okay, let's go. This is my wardrobe where I store my bits and pieces. So that's my warm clothing, which I'm not using it here because it's already hot and humid here in Bangkok, Thailand. And that's my backpack which I brought, and a day pack, my camera bag, and my dirty laundry from the clothes I worn in Vietnam. There's also a safe here to keep some important things like passports or any valuable thing you don't want to leave in the hotel room. You set up the safe and put it here. And what's that? Oh, okay, it's a torchlight just in case of emergency. Oh, there's a hair dryer as well. I want to use all these, so I didn't pay attention. If it wasn't the tour, I don't even know there's a hair dryer here. Maybe I saw it, but because it's not my cup of tea, it's not even part of my thinking. So it's a very spacious wardrobe, as you can see, very spacious wardrobe. And there's more storage here. Now let's visit my sanitation room, the bathroom where I keep myself clean and excrete to remove all the body waste I don't want in my body. As usual, there's a sink. That's my bathroom bag with my soap and my whatever sanitary products. So my toothpaste and my toothbrush. This for cleaning the hand after washing the hand. As a standard thing, there's a WC tea roll, another one already hanging, PowerPoint, a bidet. The booking also comes with 2 towels, and they are big cotton towels, so it's very absorbent. It absorbs the water very well after bathing. It's also good to have the feet wiping towel, so anytime I finish showering, I can wipe the feet and don't walk into the main room with wet feet. And there's a clothes hanger, yeah, and there's a ventilator which helps to keep the steam out of the bathroom, and another mirror. And I forgot to show you, there's a telephone here in case you want to call the reception. It's there for your utility. I have a small veranda. Let's get out and have a look. It's night time, so as usual it will be dark. I hope the camera will do well in a low light area. How do I open this? Okay, that's my veranda. It's very tiny, but when it comes to high density living areas like big cities like Bangkok and all other huge cities, it's a privilege to have a veranda. That's my view. And if I look downstairs, that's downstairs, and that's my other view. So I won't say it's an impressive view, but a view is a view. Hi, that's my small window for the kitchen. Okay, guys, I think I've touched down all the bases of what's necessary, and I've shown you almost everything about this room. So that's where Kwame the Wanderer is lodging during my stay here in Bangkok, Thailand. Tomorrow is Songkran Festival, Songkran 2026. And I'll be live on the ground to capture the event and share this huge, colorful, active, vibrant, fun event with you guys. Stay tuned for Songkran 2026 from Kwame the Wanderer. You will join me on the ground for the experience. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.